90 degrees, 80 degrees, 20 degrees. 3 numbers, 1 triangle, nothing scary yet. Then someone draws 1 extra segment and asks for 1 more angle. And suddenly this easy triangle problem has eaten students for breakfast for over 80 years. By the end of this video, you'll not only get the answer, you'll see why it has to be this clean, using nothing but the law of sines. Let's go. Here's the setup. Triangle ABC. Angle B is 80 degrees. Angle C is 20 degrees. Point D sits on side AC, and here's the twist, chosen so that AB equals CD. First move, always the same. Angles in a triangle sum to 180. So angle A is 180 minus 80 minus 20, which is 80. Wait, angle A and angle B are both 80. That's not a coincidence, that's a gift. Equal angles mean equal opposite sides, so AC equals BC. This triangle is isosceles, with the sharp 20-degree tip sitting at C. Now the real question, what does AB equals CD actually do to this picture? Let's put real numbers on it. Use the law of sines with the triangle's circumdiameter set to 1. Pure ratios, no messy constants. Since D is on AC with CD equal to AB, the leftover piece, AD, is just AC minus CD. That's sine 80 minus sine 20. And here's the gift I promised. Sine 80 minus sine 20 collapses, exactly, to cosine 50. No decimals, no rounding. A clean closed form just fell out of a subtraction. That's always a sign you're on the right road. Now zoom into the small triangle that actually matters, triangle ABD. We know angle BAD. It's the same as angle BAC, 80 degrees. We know AB, sine 20. We just found AD, cosine 50, which is the same as sine 40. Call the angle we want X. Since the angles in this small triangle add to 180, angle ABD is just 100 minus X. Law of sines connects AB, AD, and those two opposite angles. Plug in the numbers, and you get one equation, one unknown. Now here's a trick worth stealing. In these nice angle competition puzzles, the answer is almost always a clean multiple of 10. So instead of grinding through the algebra blind, let's test the most natural guess first, 30 degrees, and verify it. They match, exactly. And since this ratio is strictly increasing as x grows from 0 to 100 degrees, 30 is not just a solution, it's the only one. Angle ADB equals 30 degrees. Now, the satisfying part. This triangle, 80, 80, 20, belongs to a whole family called adventitious angle triangles. Isosceles triangles with one sharp angle, where a single well-chosen CVN always produces another whole number angle. Mathematicians have been cataloging these since the 1920s. This one just happens to be one of the prettiest, because that sine subtraction turning into a clean cosine? That's not luck. That's the 80-80-20 triangle protecting its secret with a trig identity. So next time someone hands you a triangle that looks easy, check for a hidden isosceles twin first. It's almost always there. If you want to see the full family of adventitious angle triangles solved one by one, tell me in the comments. I've got the next one ready. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.